everyone, it's time to do some cleaning and some landscaping. What you will see right here, I'm not a landscaper, but that's how this was designed. The way you see the grass, there was no landscaping, there was no planning while building the house and stuff that much. So some things are not like the way we think they should be, and we also have planned that maybe this house might change in a few years and also have a bigger compound. But for now, this is what I'm doing. I'm going to be digging around the house to try make it look a little bit cute and nice. Anyways, my name is Elena Tlain. I come from Uganda, East Africa. Welcome to this channel. This is the countryside living, so refreshing, so relaxing, and I'm showing you about the lifestyle that I'm living in the countryside. Anyways, if you're here for the very first time, kindly go ahead and subscribe so you'll be part of this growing family. And if you are the returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by, commenting, liking, sharing. I don't take that for granted, and I pray for all of you. Thank you so much for the support. So I pray that God blesses you all and bless you abundantly. Anyways, that's just today's video. It's not like hard work, because I could sit, I could even live here and go do other stuff. So enjoy the video.